A very good morning to everyone, kids. Today in this class, we are going to learn an easy and interesting paper craft. We are going to make an elf doll from this paper craft. All that you will need is a red color craft sheet, any light color craft sheet, and a small two pieces of light color craft sheet, which is same. We are taking the light color. You will need black and red color marker. You will need scissors to cut. You will need glue to stick everything. The first thing, we have taken a piece of light color craft sheet. Kindly take half of the craft sheet, fold it, and it should be looking like a cylindrical shape. So like that, fold it, and here down we are going to attach the red color craft sheet. So kindly take accordingly. And the next thing, what we are going to do is we are going to stick it now. Apply the glue in it. Use only minimal amount of glue, no need to use much glue. So apply the glue in it and stick it in your craft sheet like this. Once if you have done, kindly do like this to make it stick properly in the craft sheet. So after doing this, fold and see the paper to make the cylindrical shape. So here it is going to be the face, right? So make this point for making the face. Along with the black color sketch, I am going to draw two small eyes here like this, and the mouth here like this. And then I am taking the red color sketch. I am drawing the nose in red color sketch in a round shape like this. I am going to take the black sketch and straight to the face. In the center, I am going to draw like a small belt like this. So when we fold, we can see whether it is correct enough, and give a double coat for the belt. Once if we have done this, kindly apply the glue and stick the thing in the cylindrical shape like this. So once if we have done this, the next thing what we are going to do is we are going to make a hat. So kindly fold the paper like a cone shape and insert it inside. So we will know how much it will be enough. So this is enough for me. Kindly do like this. After that, apply the glue in the corners and stick the paper. So once if you have done, you will get the cone shape. You will get the hat. Now what we are going to do is we are going to take the scissors and we are going to cut and take out the excess paper. So after it is done, kindly apply the glue in this corners and fix the hat. So after doing this, what we are going to do is we are going to attach the ear. The main thing for an elf is its ear, right? So here we have taken two papers. Kindly fold it into half and then cut like a petal shape like this. Usually the ears of the elf will be very sharp. So cut and take it like this. Now what we are going to do is we are going to apply the glue and we are going to stick it both sides of it. Stick it like this. So kindly press your finger to fix it properly. So once if we have done fixing the ears, our beautiful elf is ready. So the simple paper craft is ready. I hope it will be very easy to you. Kindly do the same and enjoy your day, kids. Thank you.